स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू SRS IAS एंड लॉ अकेडमी। आज की जो हमारी क्लास होगी उसमें हम मेंस आंसर राइटिंग की क्लास जो है वो आज आपकी रहेगी। मैंने पिछली अपनी क्लासेस जो हैं उसमें आपको क्वेश्चन जो है ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 9 क्वेश्चन जो है वो मैंने आपको अपनी पिछली क्लासेस जो हैं उसमें आपको नोट करवाए थे। और एग्जेक्टिव और पार्लियामेंट से रिलेटेड जो आपके मेंस में क्वेश्चन जो आपसे पूछे गए हैं यूपीएससी में प्रीवियस ईयर्स में, उनसे उनके जो मॉडल आंसर जो है वो आज की क्लास में आपको लिखवाए जाएंगे। तो पहले मैं आपको क्वेश्चन जो है वो लिखवा देता हूँ एंड देन 5 क्वेश्चन जो है वो हम आज कवर करेंगे और 5 क्वेश्चन जो है वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास जो होगी उसमें कवर करेंगे। ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन जो है वो आप अपने नोट कर दो। सबसे मैं पहले 5 क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपको लिखवा देता हूँ। ठीक है, जो बच्चे इसी क्लास से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो पहले इनके आंसर जो है वो लिख लीजिएगा एंड देन उसके बाद जो है वीडियो अपनी पॉज करके और इनके आंसर जो आप लिख लेना और उसके बाद जो है आपको उसके आंसर जो है वो मैं डिक्टेट करवा दूंगा। ठीक है, तो 5 क्वेश्चंस लिख लो। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है आपका, मैं फास्ट बोलूंगा, ठीक है, तो आप जो है इसको जो है वीडियो पॉज कर करके आप जो क्वेश्चन जो है वो अपना नोट डाउन कर लेना। ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, ये पार्लियामेंट से रिलेटेड है। तो क्वेश्चन है आपका, डू पार्लियामेंट रिलेटेड पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटीज keep the administration on its toes and inspire reverence of parliamentary control? Question mark. Evaluate the working of such committees with suitable examples. ठीक है, तो ये 2021 में आपसे ये क्वेश्चन जो है ये पूछा गया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, ये एग्जेक्टिव से रिलेटेड है। क्वेश्चन है आपका, द अटॉर्नी जनरल इज द चीफ लीगल एडवाइजर एंड लॉयर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। डिस्कस। ये 2019 में आपसे पूछा गया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, राज्यसभा हैज बीन ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम अ यूजलेस स्टिपनी टायर टू द मोस्ट यूजफुल सपोर्टिंग ऑर्गन इन पास्ट फ्यू डेकेड्स। फुल स्टॉप। हाईलाइट द फैक्टर्स एज वेल एज द एरियाज इन विच दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कुड बी विजिबल। ये 2020 का क्वेश्चन है आपका। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन लिखो, एक्सप्लेन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजंस under which legislative councils are established. Full stop. Review the working and current status of legislative councils with suitable illustrations. ये 2021 का क्वेश्चन है आपका। ठीक है, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन लिखो, is the Indian Constitution has provisions for holding a joint session of the two houses of the parliament. Full stop. Enumerate the occasions when this would normally happen and also the occasions when it cannot with reasons thereof. ठीक है, ये 2017 का क्वेश्चन है आपका। ठीक है, अब आप अपनी वीडियो जो है उसको पॉज करके इसके आंसर जो है वो लिख सकते हो। ठीक है, तो उसके बाद जो है मैं इसके आंसर जो है वो आपको लिखवा दूंगा इसी सीरियल ऑर्डर में। ठीक है, वीडियो पॉज करके अपने आंसर जो है वो लिख लो। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट आंसर है हमारा, जो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन जो आपसे पूछा था, डू डिपार्टमेंट रिलेटेड पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटीज कीप द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑन इट्स टोज एंड इंस्पायर रेफरेंस फॉर पार्लियामेंट्री कंट्रोल? क्वेश्चन मार्क। इवैल्यूएट द वर्किंग ऑफ सच कमेटीज विद सूटेबल एग्जांपल्स। ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर लिखो। इंट्रोडक्शन लिखो सबसे पहले, डिपार्टमेंट रिलेटेड पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटीज, department related parliamentary standing committees comprise 31 members। 31 members, ब्रैकेट में लिखो 21 from लोक सभा and 10 from राज्यसभा। 21 from लोक सभा and 10 from राज्यसभा, ब्रैकेट क्लोज। To be nominated by the speaker and chairman of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha respectively. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha respectively. The term of office of these committees is not more than 1 year. The term of office of these committees is not more than 1 year. Full stop. The committees have often been found keeping the administration on its toes, 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 thereby setting a benchmark of parliamentary control. Full stop. This can be ascertained from the functioning of such committees. For example, first लिखो, बुलेट पॉइंट्स में लिखना. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, they examine the demands for grant. Of the related ministries or departments and report thereon. Second point, they verify bills, belonging to the related ministries referred by the chairman or the speaker. Full stop. Next point, laying importance on the long term plans. Laying, L-A-Y-I-N-G. Laying importance on the long term plans and policies guiding the working of the executive. These committees give necessary directions. Guidance and inputs for broad policy formulations. Full stop. Next point, they facilitate input from experts and those who may be directly affected by a policy or legislation. Full stop. नेक्स्ट मेन पॉइंट बनाओ. ठीक है, ये 4 पॉइंट्स थे, ये यहीं पे खत्म हो गए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नहीं, नेक्स्ट पैरा चेंज करो, उसमें लिखो नेवरदलेस, कॉमा, द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द कमिटीज इज मार्ड विद MARRED, is marred with several issues, comma, such as अब इसके भी 4 पॉइंट्स हैं, इनको बुलेट पॉइंट्स में लिखना. such as, फर्स्ट लिखो, the meetings happen behind closed doors leading to the issue of transparency. leading to the issue of transparency, 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 full stop. Next point, the committee's suggestions, the committee's apostrophe s wala, the committee's suggestions are not enforceable in nature, are not enforceable in nature, full stop. Next point, it is not necessary, it is not necessary to route all the bills, it is not necessary to route all the bills to the committees, full stop. Thus proper scrutiny, proper scrutiny, SCRUTINY, proper scrutiny of all the bills, of all the bills is not guaranteed, is not guaranteed, full stop. Next point, the committee can hardly be considered, the committee can hardly be considered a specialized body, a specialized body, as their tenure is just of 1 year, is just of 1 year, full stop. Next लिखो conclusion, इसमें लिखो thus comma, though it is comparatively less difficult, though it is comparatively less difficult to examine an issue, though it is comparatively less difficult to examine an issue in depth by a committee of 30, than than by an assembly of 700, comma, the issue faced by these committees, the issues faced by these committees limits their scope, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था आपका एग्जेक्टिव से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन था आपका, द अटॉर्नी जनरल इज द चीफ लीगल एडवाइजर एंड लॉयर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, डिस्कस। ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर लिखो, इंट्रो लिखो सबसे पहले। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अंडर आर्टिकल 76, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अंडर आर्टिकल 76 हैज प्रोवाइडेड फॉर द ऑफिस ऑफ अटॉर्नी जनरल फॉर इंडिया, Attorney General for India, AGI, full stop. He is appointed by the President, and holds the office during the pleasure of the President, full stop. He must be a person who is qualified to be appointed as judge of the Supreme Court, as full stop, para change, as the chief legal advisor, चीफ लीगल एडवाइजर के नीचे अंडरलाइन लगाओ, ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, एज द चीफ लीगल एडवाइजर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, कॉमा, द अटॉर्नी जनरल हैज फॉलोइंग ड्यूटीज, द अटॉर्नी जनरल हैज फॉलोइंग ड्यूटीज, कॉलन लिखो, बुलेट पॉइंट्स में लिखना। सबसे फर्स्ट पॉइंट लिखो, टू गिव एडवाइस टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, टू गिव एडवाइस टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया on legal matters, comma, which are referred to him, referred by the President, full stop. Next point, to perform other duties of legal character that are assigned to him by the president. Full stop. Next point, to discharge the functions conferred on him by the constitution or any other law. Full stop. Para change. Next लिखो, the AGI is the highest law officer in the country. Highest law officer के नीचे अंडरलाइन लगाओ. AGI is the highest law officer in the country and act as the lawyer of the government of India. लॉयर के नीचे अंडरलाइन लगाओ और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के नीचे अंडरलाइन लगाओ. फुल स्टॉप. Through a notification of 1950, he has been assigned the following duties by the president. कॉलन लिखो, बुलेट पॉइंट्स में लिखो दोबारा. फर्स्ट पॉइंट लिखो, टू अपीयर ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया in the Supreme Court and High Courts. Full stop. Next point, to represent the government of India in any reference made by the president to the Supreme Court under Article 143 of the Constitution. Full stop. Next point, para change. Along with these duties, the AGI also has the right of audience in all the courts in the territory of India. Full stop. He also enjoys all the privileges and immunities that are available to a member of parliament. Full stop. Para change. However, Attorney General is not the full-time counsel. COUNSEL. Counsel of the government. Full stop. He does not fall in the category of government servants, and he is not debarred, DEBARRED, debarred from private legal practice. Full stop. But comma, he should not advise or hold a brief against the government of India and he should not defend accused persons, and he should not defend accused persons in criminal prosecutions without the permission of government of India, full stop. Next लिखो conclusion, para change, conclusion. Thus, comma, the duties and privileges of AGI, comma, combined with limitations imposed on him, comma, make him the chief legal advisor and lawyer of the government of India, full stop. Nevertheless, comma, the separate law minister in central cabinet to look after legal matters at the government level, comma, to some extent, comma, gives the office of AGI a subordinate position, full stop. Next question था आपका, Rajya Sabha has been transformed from a useless stepney tire to the most useful supporting organ in past few decades. Highlight the factors as well as the areas in which these transformations could be visible. 2020 का क्वेश्चन था आपका, लिखो इसके बारे में, इंट्रो लिखो सबसे पहले. The Constituent Assembly favored Rajya Sabha, comma, as a vast country like India, with immense diversities, required a platform for the states at Parliament to raise their voices and to check legislation passed in haste, full stop. Rajya Sabha shares an unequal status with Lok Sabha in terms of matters like money bill, comma, appropriation bill, comma, no confidence motion, comma, etc., full stop. But its position is special as colon डालो, bullet points लिखो. It can authorize the parliament to make a law. On a subject enumerated in a state list. ब्रैकेट में लिखो आर्टिकल 249. Next point, Rajya Sabha can authorize the parliament, Rajya Sabha can authorize the parliament to create new all India services, common to both the center and states, ब्रैकेट में लिख लो आर्टिकल 312, नेक्स्ट लिखो it checks hasty hasty comma defective comma careless and ill-considered legislation made by the Lok Sabha and by making provisions of revision and thought, full stop. Next point, it maintains the federal equilibrium by protecting the interests of the states against the undue interference of the center, full stop. पैरा चेंज इसमें लिखो, नेक्स्ट पैरा बनाओ. राज्य सभा हैज emerged the most useful supporting organ in past few decades. Rajya Sabha has emerged as the most useful supporting organ in the past few decades because of several factors. फर्स्ट लिखो, बुलेट पॉइंट में लिखना. फर्स्ट लिखो cooperative federalism, COOPERATIVE, cooperative federalism, 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 colon with the strengthening of democracy in India, comma, the spirit of cooperative federalism has pervaded, pervaded, full stop. It has obliged the government to appropriate the advice of the Rajya Sabha, full stop. Next point, rise of regional parties, colon, rise of regional parties. देखो, since the 1980s, comma, a rise in the popularity of regional parties was witnessed. A rise in the popularity of regional parties was witnessed, full stop. It allowed ALLOWED, it allowed regional parties to have a greater share in the membership of Rajya Sabha, comma, thus enhancing the influence of Rajya Sabha while passing a bill, full stop. Next point, coalition governments. COALITATION, COALITATION, coalition governments. Colon. The 1990s brought a new era. The 1990s brought a new era in Indian polity, comma, an era of coalition governments. An era of coalition government. Full stop. It required a wider consensus. It required a wider consensus. CONSCSUS. Consensus. SCNSUS. CONSCNSUS. Wider consensus in the enactment of statutes. 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 Full stop. Next point. Expert or informed opinion. Expert or informed opinion. Colon. देखो, requirement of expert or informed opinion. Requirement of expert or informed opinion in matters like Personal Data Protection Bill, comma surrogacy bill, comma etc. has made the role of Rajya Sabha indispensable. 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 Full stop. Next पैरा चेंज करो, उसमें लिखो the transformation can be seen in colon abrogation 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 of Article 370. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैन बी सीन इन कॉलन. फर्स्ट पॉइंट बुलेट पॉइंट्स में लिखना है इसको भी. 3 बुलेट पॉइंट्स है इसके. सबसे पहले लिखो एब्रोगेशन ऑफ आर्टिकल 370, कॉमा वेयर द सपोर्ट ऑफ राज्यसभा was vital for the benefit of people of Jammu and Kashmir, and Ladakh. Full stop. Next point. GST reforms was another subject where Rajya Sabha's role. GST reforms was another subject where Rajya Sabha's role was proactive. Full stop. States apostrophe S वाला states support was essential in the implementation of the reforms. Full stop. Next point. The passage of POTA Act in 2002 whereby due to objections of Rajya Sabha, joint sitting of Parliament joint sitting of parliament was called under article 108 to discuss the provisions full stop para change conclusion likho. Even though the ups and downs of Indian politics, the Rajya Sabha has remained a vanguard, vanguard for political and social issues, for political and social values, comma, a melting pot of cultural diversity, full stop. It has helped in assimilating assimilating the aspirations aspirations of the people of India and protect their interest. ठीक है, full stop. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था आपका, एक्सप्लेन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजंस अंडर विच लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स आर एस्टेब्लिश्ड, फुल स्टॉप. रिव्यू द वर्किंग एंड करंट स्टेटस ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स विद सुटेबल इलस्ट्रेशंस. 2021 का क्वेश्चन था. लिखो इसको, इंट्रो लिखो सबसे पहले. इंडिया फॉलोज अ बाइकैमरल सिस्टम. at both the center and state level, full stop. Under this system the state's legislature is divided into two parts. सबसे पहला है आपका लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली और विधानसभा एंड लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल और विधान परिषद, फुल स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट पैरा चेंज करो. द लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल इज द अपर हाउस ऑफ द स्टेट, full stop. Its institution is outlined in Article 169 of the Constitution. Presently, Constitution के बाद full stop. Presently, only Andhra Pradesh, comma Karnataka, comma Telangana, comma Maharashtra, comma Bihar and UP, Uttar Pradesh, has legislative councils. Full stop. Para change, formation लिखो. Para change, then लिखो formation. Heading बनाओ formation लिख के कॉलन डाल दो. Formation colon. Next लिखो. First point, as per Article 169, comma, the Parliament can abolish a legislative council पार्लियामेंट कैन अबॉलिश अ लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल, ब्रैकेट में लिखो वेयर इट ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट, वेयर इट ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, और क्रिएट इट, ब्रैकेट में लिखो वेयर इट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, ब्रैकेट क्लोज. As per Article 169, the Parliament can abolish a council, a legislative council where it already exists, or create it where it does not exist by a simple majority. By a simple majority, comma. If the legislative assembly of the concerned state, if the legislative assembly of the concerned state, CONCERNED, concerned state, comma, by a special majority, comma, passes a resolution to that effect, full stop. Next point. As per Article 171, of the Indian Constitution, as per article of the Indian Constitution, comma, the total number of member of legislative council, of a state shall not exceed one third of the total number of members in the legislative assembly. Full stop. Next point. The members of the council are either nominated by the governor of the state, or indirectly elected, full stop. Of the total number of members of the members of the legislative council, कॉलन डालो, देन अगेन सब पॉइंट्स बनाओ, इसके 5 सब पॉइंट्स बनेंगे, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट बनाओ, वन थर्ड ऑफ द मेंबर्स आर इलेक्टेड बाय the electorates, electrorates, electorates, consisting of the members of local authorities, Second point, 1/12 are elected by electorates consisting of graduates residing in the state. Next लिखो, 1/12 are elected by electorates consisting of persons engaged in teaching. Next लिखो, 1/3 are elected by members of legislative assembly. And last sub point, the remaining are nominated by the governor. ठीक है. तो फॉर्मेशन में हमने 3 पॉइंट्स लिखे, देन जो थर्ड पॉइंट था उसका हमने 5 सब पॉइंट्स लिखे, ठीक है. अब अगेन फोर्थ पॉइंट लिखो, 1/3 of the members of legislative council, 1/3 of the members of legislative council are retired every 1/3 of the members of legislative council retire every 2 years. Full stop. Para change. अब लिखो functions. पैरा चेंज करके लिखो फंक्शंस, कॉलन डालो उस पे, फंक्शंस के बाद कॉलन, देन अगेन फर्स्ट बुलेट पॉइंट बनाओ, उसमें लिखो लेजिस्लेटिव, लेजिस्लेटिव, कॉलन डालो, लिखो नॉन मनी बिल्स, नॉन मनी बिल्स कैन बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन, कैन बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल, कैन बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल, full stop. When a non-money bill, when a non-money bill, comma, passed by legislative assembly, passed by legislative assembly, comma, comes to the legislative council, comes to the legislative council, comma, the later can, Latter, later can pass, the later can pass it, the later can pass it or send it back, or send it back with amendments, with amendments to legislative assembly, to the legislative assembly for its reconsideration, for its reconsideration, full stop. Next point लिखो financial, next function लिखो financial, colon, financial लिखे colon डालो, लिखो the legislative council, the legislative council has only limited powers, has only limited powers in financial matters, in financial matters, full stop. A money bill cannot, a money bill cannot be introduced in, a money bill cannot be introduced in the legislative council, the legislative council, full stop. It can be introduced, it can be introduced only in the legislative assembly, it can be introduced only in the legislative assembly, full stop. Next point, control over executive, control over executive, column, इसमें लिखो the legislative council, the legislative council does not have much control, does not have much control over the executive, over the executive, full stop. The council of ministers, the council of ministers is responsible to the legislative assembly, is responsible to the legislative assembly even if, even if the government is defeated, even if the government is defeated in the legislative council, even if the government is defeated in the legislative council, comma, it is not bound to resign, it is not bound to resign, full stop. Last point, miscellaneous, 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 colon, the legislative council, the legislative council elects his own chairman, elects his own chairman and deputy chairman, his own chairman and deputy chairman, full stop. The council discusses, the council discusses technical matters, the council discusses technical matters as there are experts as its members, as they are experts as its members, full stop. Para change. The legislative powers of the council, the legislative powers of the councils is limited, full stop. They lack a constitutional mandate, they lack a constitutional mandate to shape non-financial legislation, to shape non-financial legislation, full stop. Besides, the assembly can override, the assemblies can override suggestions or amendments made to the legislation by the council, full stop. Critics of legislative councils state that the councils act as a burden on the state budget, and are used to park leaders who have not been able to win an election, full stop. Para change. Nevertheless, the legislative councils serve some useful purposes, full stop. They act as a check against hasty legislation passed by the assemblies, full stop. They also accommodate election shy talent. Full stop. That is comma the elderly comma experienced and sober individuals comma who cannot bear bear the ordeal of electioneering electioneering get onboarded onboarded to the council, full stop. For example, Bihar Chief Minister is a member of Legislative Council. Full stop. Last question था आपका. The Indian Constitution has provisions for holding a joint session of the two houses of the Parliament. Full stop. Enumerate the occasion when this would normally happen and also the occasion when it cannot, with reasons thereof. Full stop. 2017 का क्वेश्चन था ये. लिखो इसके बारे में. इंट्रो डालो सबसे पहले. इंट्रो लिखो. The Parliament of India is bicameral. The Parliament of India is bicameral and concurrence of both houses. Concurrence की spelling लिखो. CONCURRENCE. Concurrence of both houses is required to pass any bill. Full stop. However, comma, sometimes there are situations of deadlock between upper house, that is Rajya Sabha, and the lower house, that is Lok Sabha. Full stop. Article 108 of the Indian Constitution of the Indian Constitution has the provision of joint sitting of both the houses of the parliament under these special circumstances. Full stop. Present summons the joint sitting. SUMMONS. Summons the joint sitting of both the houses of the parliament. Under these special circumstances. Full stop. Present summons the joint sitting. Which is presided by Lok Sabha Speaker. Full stop. Para change. Occasion. उसके बाद लिखो occasions when this would normally happen. चार बुलेट पॉइंट्स हैं इसके, तो वो बना लो. लिखो फर्स्ट पॉइंट. If a bill has been passed by one house and transmitted to the other. Second, the bill is rejected by the other house. Or third point, the house have finally disagreed. As to the amendments to be made in the bill. Or next point, more than 6 months elapse. Elapse from the date of the reception of the bill by the other house without the bill being passed by it. Full stop. Para change. इसमें लिखो exception to joint sittings. अंडरलाइन कर दो इसको, कॉलन डालो, अंडरलाइन करो, पैरा चेंज करो दोबारा से. Not all the bills can be referred to a joint session of parliament. Full stop. There are two exceptions. First point डालो money bill. इसमें लिखो under the Constitution of India, money bill require approval of the Lok Sabha only. Full stop. Rajya Sabha can give suggestions to Lok Sabha. Which it is not required to accept. Rajya Sabha can give suggestions to Lok Sabha, which it is not required to accept. Full stop. Even if Rajya Sabha does not pass a money bill, within 14 days, it is deemed to have been passed by both the houses of parliament after expiry of the above period. Full stop. Therefore, there is no need of summoning a joint session in case of money bill. Full stop. सेकंड जो था, एक एक्सेप्शन थी आपकी मनी बिल, सेकंड एक्सेप्शन है आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट बिल। सेकंड लिखो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट बिल, इसमें लिखो एज पर आर्टिकल 368, एज पर आर्टिकल 368 द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैन बी अमेंडेड, as per article 368 the Indian constitution can be amended by both houses of parliament, by 2/3 majority, by 2/3 majority, full stop. In case of disagreement between both houses, comma, there is no provision to summon joint sitting of parliament, full stop. वो लिखो, कंक्लूजन लिखो, डाउरी, सॉरी कंक्लूजन ही उन्होंने एग्जांपल्स देने के लिए बोला था, तो वो लिखते हैं डाउरी प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट, DOWRY, डाउरी प्रोहिबिशन, PROHIBTION, प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट 1960, कॉमा, बैंकिंग सर्विस कमीशन एक्ट 1977 एंड पोटा, POTA 2002 were the few bills that got passed through the joint session of parliament, ठीक है। तो आज की जो आपकी क्लास थी वो यहीं तक थी। अगले 5 क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो जो आपकी जो नेक्स्ट क्लास है वो उसमें आपको करवा दिए जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो आज की जो क्लास थी आपकी यहीं तक थी। थैंक यू सो मच।